Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be a bit longer video. There's about 9 to 10 hours of footage that have been edited down here. This is a pretty full day. What made the day as hectic as it was is we were swapping the vanities in the bathrooms, which means we're technically down 2 bathrooms until we put the vanity from the primary bath into the guest bath. And as tends to happen when you're on a time crunch, especially later on in the day, you start doing stupid things, which you'll get to see plenty of that later. These things are ready to fail.
Good thing we're replacing them then.
This one's already leaking.
Ooh. Did you turn off the water downstairs?
No. Wow. This is a ticking time bomb, bro. Alright, the P-trap should be full of water. That's the whole point of a P-trap. Yep. Yummy!
Forbidden drink.
Yeah. This is lazy, right? So whenever you're in this situation, all you have to do is come out from the wall, a 45 offset, and then use the 45 offset to get the pipe far enough so that you are horizontally aligned with the drain pipe, and then just rotate this. So for example, if they had used a 45 offset to get this thing out far enough, then they could have just properly plumbed it. But they didn't. So instead they chose to use this disgusting flex crap. This is like...
That's been catching debris and all sorts of nastiness.
Yeah, it's disgusting. And finally, there's going to be 2 screws holding this thing to the wall. Jesus Christ, dude.
Is it stripped?
Dude, is there a screw in this house that's not stripped?
Only the ones we've put in.
That is Phillips, right?
It certainly looks like it. Is that a hex head?
If it wasn't, it is now. That was once
A Phillips.
a Phillips.
But is now a Robbie.
It's been destroyed by Robbie.
Oh, so sorry, probably used Robbie on it, or?
No, I'm Robbie.
Oh.
Duh. This joke.
But I was bamboozled.
Is it attached anywhere?
No.
It's stuck right in the middle.
What about this line here?
What line?
The gray line.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You silly.
Yeah, that was just... Water in my face in 3, 2, 1. How much you want to bet the top will come off a lot easier now?
Well, if I was a gambling girl, probably not a lot. Strong like bear.
It's plastic.
Ah,
What are you doing?
action.
You're good.
I'm Michael Bay. But nothing's exploded yet. Now I'm free.
I should probably take those lines off just so we don't have any extra torque on this. Oh, look at how loose this piece of shit is.
Ooh. A little bit of a wonder that those didn't...
Burst before.
Yeah.
This is a potentially gonna spring a leak thing, just FYI.
So, other bathroom, sink, shower.
Yeah, remember to turn it on hot and cold.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they use CPVC for the stub outs. It doesn't even feel mounted in there. Look at their ridiculous attempts to fire caulk it. You see the big gaping hole?
I'm sure that'll keep all the fire out.
Okay, this you can take out with a screwdriver. Just message me when that turns off.
Okay.
Is it off or on?
It is off. Light went off to the hallway.
Oh, no J-box.
What?
That's a code violation.
Really?
Yeah. Not the code. Okay. This is for paint sample. Can you get the borescope so I can see if there's a J-box inside? So wherever Romex goes from inside a wall cavity to outside, it's supposed to be inside a junction box, not just dangling out a hole in the wall like this. I'm just double checking to make sure they didn't conceal the J-box. They didn't. So since we're adding another 12 inches, in theory we need to offset 6 inches.
Yes.
Probably make sure there's not a stud there first.
Probably.
Come on, screws. Might need my stud buddy.
Downstairs.
Well, hold on. I can just feel it. Yeah, there's nothing there. Alright. What's screwing around?
No easy mode for us.
2, 3, and 3/4. What's that?
Is this high enough for the mirror we're going to put in here? Is the mirror going to be taller than this one was?
Oh, that's a really good question. Let's grab said mirror. Or measure said mirror.
Yes. We have the technology.
38 to the back?
Yeah, something like that. 38 and a half.
Okay.
As long as it was not going to be significantly bigger.
Let me see your tape measure.
I just put it away.
Alright, so the existing screws, 26 inches apart. And oh, yeah, they had that centered perfectly. So now we're going to come over to 19. Okay, so I'm going to move that box over a little bit then. It's a little better. So if the hole is offset 1.5 inches, that'll put us 1.5 inches into the box. You know?
I believe I do now.
That's about where the hole is. So that's fine. That's plenty of clearance. Yeah, so I'm hitting a stud there on the right. Another inch and the next hour shenanigans probably wouldn't have even happened.
Hammer.
Not quite. Obviously the flap is not going to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know what? It's fine. We'll patch the drywall. I'm about to go grab an old work or new work box and just properly attach this. It ain't pretty. Nah, that's shit.
New box.
So the idea is we're gonna cut back to here. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna mount it just slightly recessed. Come on. Why would you be in there so cockeyed? Oh, come on. Ah, that's working. There we go. Start to strip. That's good enough. Alright, so the patch needs to be 6 3/8 by should be 3 inches. No, 2.5. I think 3 clips will do it.
With one's not enough and 2 is too few.
It's 3 clips. These clips from USG are pretty baller actually. And if you install them correctly, they even maintain the fire rating of drywall. Hello, dude. Uh-oh. Whoops.
You're committed now.
Huh?
You're committed now.
Yeah.
Huh? Looks pretty good though.
Yeah, these things are awesome. Oops. Every oops means I oversunk the screw.
Oops! That's solid shit. Much less ghetto. Now, if you just get the window and foam stuff, or window and door foam I just got. See, isn't that so much better? Now that it's done right. Can you keep shaking that?
Can see the comment section already.
Yeah. Squirrel. Okay.
It's like a shake weight.
Woo! There she blows! Oh, come on. We might as well go use the foam up.
Where do you want to use it?
I don't know, and I think we need a... Actually, this should go straight to the trash.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're gonna have this sticky shit all over the place. Nice. Alright. Let's get some mud next. Wanna grab the bag?
Yeah.
This is gonna make a huge dusty mess.
So this is 45-minute mud I'm mixing up right here. I like using setting mud, especially when we're filling holes and stuff, because it won't shrink very much. And we can get back at it and sand it pretty quickly.
That's rather soupy. Put it back. Now this does not need to be a perfect patch.
Just go behind the basket.
Yep. But it will still need to taper. Alright. For this to set up for a second, and then I'll hit hit the holes again. Now we wait.
You had mud in your hair.
Yep, I splashed myself. It'll set a timer for like 5 minutes. That should be enough time for that one to start setting off just a little bit, and then I'll come back and just get those again. It ain't gonna be level 5, but it'll work.
Hey, miss. We just cleaned.
So at 24.5 is gonna be the center of the light. Can you grab the 4-foot level?
Timer went off.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Close enough for government work.
Yeah. Okay, so drywall anchor, the white ones. Sure. Power, please. I can't get too far ahead of myself. I guess let's clean the drywall shit up, get the vanity out of here.
And then put the bracket up.
Yeah. Well, then I can come back with another.
Pass of mud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last time we're using this sink. It might be a little easier if you take the top off.
I was getting it.
Oh, wait.
I was. Then I'll burn me in the head.
What dick? Guess what else we're repainting?
Stupid backsplash.
Okay, hold on. While you're doing that,
Hammer time. Teamwork makes the dream work.
yes, it does. All right, what else is this attached to?
I figured nothing.
More CPVC stub outs.
Unless they put scoochers on them.
The scoochers.
Yeah, I know it's escutcheon, but I like scoocher.
The scoochers.
So you can escooch something up to it.
Ah! All right, so I guess down the laundry room with this guy.
Yeah.
Then we'll have to. We might as well paint the wall,
Yeah.
get the mirror up, and then do it.
Yeah. We're committed now.
Yeah, we better hope the other vanity fits.
Oh, we so it don't.
Got silicone boogers all over my knife.
Yeah.
Woo! That's set up.
Do you need more water?
Oh, I put some more in. Funny. Well, guess what?
It covers it.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Just sand this little piece, this little bit right here.
Okay.
I think it'll be fine.
Okay. I sanded those and those. I did not sand where it was mudded, but I sanded this a little bit.
Yeah, because the paint is just gonna.
Peel off of that.
Yeah.
Do I need to get it more?
It's still there. The thing is, if we don't get it completely, it's gonna just show. We'll still paint with primer first, and then we'll put real paint on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna kind of feather it out. This is gonna be covered up, so.
Not as vital.
Oh, check. And you could sand that and then paint it. Should look all right.
I think so.
We know we're gonna have to fit in a 49-inch space.
There's 49.
So then if you come in here, where am I going?
You're silly.
36 inches, 3/8
You should-
minus 49 inches divided by 2. 6 5/16. So if it's 6 1/4, 6 1/4 from the wall,
Okay.
68 inches up.
Okay.
We should be good. What did I say? 6 1/4?
6 1/4.
All right, now I need 68. Even close to plumb yet. So now measure me out 6 1/4. Approximately 42.
Yeah. 6 1/4, 36 and 38.
Oh shit, look what I did.
That was gonna be a nice wall.
I know.
Right.
But I'm erasing my mess. I have primer. Oh, look what I did. But we're sanding it. This guy, that's why we don't let me paint. 36 3/8.
36 3/8.
Close enough. Get your ass over.
You're in my way, woman.
Look and see, I'm breaking shit.
7 years bad luck. Okay, mine's on.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I think my screw's in too far.
Okay. I'll hold.
Approximately correct.
Level.
I don't know about all that. Huh. Yes, it is.
We need that.
Yes, we do. That's great, isn't it? Shit.
Alright.
I guess it's another trip to the hardware store another day. Probably tomorrow. Okay, next step. Light fixture.
So this is definitely an instance of doing things out of sequence because it's starting to get late and we just want to try and get the bathroom functional. We should have waited until we got the right color paint, painted the wall, and then put this up.
Arm get tired.
To use 2 arms.
But then they'll get tired at the same time.
You got a system.
Yeah. They tag team.
Alright, they're bringing me the hardware. Max 100 watts per bulb. It's old school.
Hey, OCD people. One of those lights is crooked. plumbing barely fits. Ooh, that's a squeaker. That is a squeaker. But it does fit.
Huh?
It's approximately going to be right there.
Well, a little bit further back.
Yeah, but approximately here.
Yes. Look at that. Look at that. This feels better already.
A big ass vanity.
And now you can put stuff up here. You can reach the drawers. Like, you don't have to lean over on the toilet to get to the toilet paper.
Yeah, I guess we could put the toilet paper holder on.
Yeah.
We'll just find a place that won't block this drawer. Like right up here.
Yeah. That works nicely.
So the purpose of that dry fit was so that we could see exactly where we needed to cut the trim out to get the vanity to fit against the wall.
You want mine?
Okay, let's hope it fits. Gotta fit over here. We should have a gap because we didn't put the top on.
Look at this.
Alright.
Feels like it's big enough for multiple people, like it should be.
Yep. Alright, now it's time to start on the plumbing.
Hooray!
Hey, is this controlling the plunger?
Mm-hmm.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's fully down?
Very close to fully down. That's fully down.
That pops up.
Mm-hmm.
Try using the sinks hardware to open the drain. Water's coming out. Did you turn the spigot on?
I don't think so.
And you would expect this to be up when it's like that? Or down?
Up.
Is it working?
Yeah, it is.
Can you hand me the thread tape? Channel locks. Channel locks. Tape. Ow, that's good. Give me the bigger P-trap, the one we just bought.
Here it is.
And then give me one of those extenders.
I am ready for my close up, Mr. DeMille.
Currently we are dry fitting. Ow, there's a hell of a burr on that. Like I know you're supposed to deburr these, but Jesus. And then once I get this on here, ow. A little bit of bending, a little bit of forcing. Now you have a proper P-trap without a flexi on it. See, I just got to get the pipe right there and we're good to go. Cement, and then these two pieces will be cemented. And that's fine because this unscrews. That unscrews, that pops off. It's all easy.
You need to stop doing that.
Yeah, no shit.
So, as you can see, we now have our water lines reconnected. And hopefully soon, we'll have a functioning sink again. Hooray.
Yeah, we can have a little bit of flex. Well, that was anything but straight. It's pretty much a functioning P-trap. Almost.
1 or 2 cheese pizzas.
2.
2?
Alright.
Yay!
It's not ideal. That fitting right there is taking up just a little bit too much room.
Cut a little bit off.
No, I'll put another Street 45 on it. I don't care. Fittings galore, but that works. It's silly, but it's not an S-trap, so it's still legal. It's not even close to straight.
Success.
We'll see. It's definitely a better fit.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I know. It messes with my head. It's like this. All right. In theory, that's good. I have a little bit of flex there. All right. So that's gonna need cement right there. Cement right there. Cement right there. Cement right there.
We about to get cementitious.
I don't have PVC cement because idiot. So we're gonna ghetto this. Where's the gaff tape?
Oh, shit.
All right. Plumbing with DeLuca. Gaff tape is a totally acceptable way to bond two pieces of drain waste vent PVC. Inspectors love this trick.
So much so that they come back to visit us so often.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's plumbing. Come on. You're just dying to get threaded. There you go. Man, this is gonna be a huge mess. The P-trap fills up with water, gets too heavy, falls. Okay, that needs to be tighter. Because that's basically our first and last line of defense here. Alright, everything else is on.
On the plus side,
Gaff tape.
should have some.
That's how we plumb. Yeah. Yeah. Who needs cement? All right, one last piece to tape in. And Bob's Plumbing is open for business. All right, I'll call for inspection tomorrow. Yep, that's how you plumb. Let's turn that water on. All right. Bro, you totally lied about this plunger. That is not even full.
It was?
Oh my god.
It,
It's killing me.
it was coming up?
Look at how bent the shit this is. That's because the angle's wrong.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, but this requires coordination. So let's fix the plunger.
The way this always worked prior.
Bro, all that hardware's disconnected, so I don't care what way it was before.
Okay. Okay. Alright. It's up. Alright. Down.
All right, now try using the thing.
Okay.
That is not right.
Okay. I was thinking of the old sink we had in here. Okay.
Does this spin?
Spin? I don't think so. I mean, I'm sure it could, but...
Does it look in the right position?
Yeah. A little high, but...
Try moving it. Nah. That ain't right. Where... Is the sink plunger all the way up?
Sink plunger is currently up.
As high as you would expect it to go.
It can't go no higher without becoming detached.
Alright, and is this thing in the proper lowered position?
It is in the low position.
This is so ghetto how these things work. Alright, try lifting it up.
Okay.
Or doing the thing. Make it go.
Okay. But pushing it down doesn't.
It can't be right. Alright, I want you to pull the plunger all the way out.
Okay.
God damn it. What in the hell are you doing? The plunger.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, it's not in the sink anymore.
Hand it to me. Alright, you see this hole?
Yeah?
It needs to be like this, perfectly aligned.
Okay.
And then push it all the way down.
Perfectly aligned with...
The wall. So the hole is...
Perpendicular to the wall?
A normal ray from the wall would pierce the hole.
Okay.
I like even when I'm angry, the only thing I can think of quickly is a physicist term. Alright, does it seem to be going up and down fluidly?
Yes.
Alright, try operating the hardware.
Oh, much better. I think that's success.
Alright, let's make sure the hot water is connected to the hot. When's the pizza?
It's on its way.
Yep, hot water. Hey, cold water. Got plumbing?
If we throw enough pipe in there, one of them's bound to work. You better hurry, that pizza gonna be here soon.
Come on. Find me a drywall screw. Okay.
Ah!
Yep, I think I hit a stud. What is leaking? It's probably Bob's P-trap. Because Bob's P-trap is not screwed tight right now. Oh yeah, of course. Just to be clear, it's leaking because the P-trap fills up with water. It's the whole point. And it's probably all coming out right here.
To be continued. But, Phil, looks pretty nice.
Yeah, I mean, we have a functioning bathroom again.
Someone's at the front door.
Alright.
Go get that pizza. They're 15 minutes early. Oh, look, it's a Jeeves. Phoebe.
Calling it. Pizza's here.
Yes.
I don't like cold pizza.
No.
Ha!
Argon.
So that was about a 9 or 10 hour day.
Argon. What are
Multiple
you doing?
trips to the hardware store, which were not recorded.
Argon.
You could see how we started off strong, and then as the day got by, we started doing dumber and dumber things until we got to the end where you saw a little bit of Bob's Plumbing specials.
Nothing in there concerns you.
To be clear, we only needed the vanity to work for the next 12 hours, as we were going to tear that all back apart again, paint the wall, properly install the vanity this time, and with our fresher minds, we went and got the right size P-trap, which removed 2 of those street fittings and made the P-trap much easier to work with. You'll see that in the next video. Till then, hope you enjoyed. Catch you later.